Sounds of Freedom, a movie based on an actual event about a former government agent who founded the organization, Operation Underground Railroad, to rescue children from, is getting criticized by media organizations like Rolling Stone and Jezebel. Why would they criticize a movie like that, you ask? Well, they are far-left media organizations. People from the far left and far right are the worst people imaginable. Far left has been known to support child and while the far right typically supports, and both sides will definitely lie. As you can see in these articles, Rolling Stone and Jezebel has no problem defaming or slandering someone or something that doesn't fit their sick and twisted narrative. Not only that, from the title of these articles alone, they give the impression that they support child, which is something very serious and needs to be taken seriously. People like myself who pays attention to the few rich and powerful people who controls everything, knows exactly what's going on, so it's not a surprise. But there's still a large amount of people who either doesn't know anything, chooses not to know anything, or just outright believes everything the mainstream media tells them. Which is very dangerous, as you can see.